Hello, this is Dr. Warisa Khan. I'm a consultant dermatologist in Germanten Hospital. So today I'll tell you how you can prevent your fungal infection in monsoon season. First, if you work out every day, wash yourself every day immediately after your workout. Wipe your folds of your body like underarms, inframammary region, and groin every day, and use loose cotton clothes. Wash and iron your clothes every day and before using, and if you have fungal infection, kindly consult your dermatologist and take the proper treatment so that the recurrence won't occur.